Hi, welcome to Full Course Online. On Microsoft website, to install Windows 11, minimum requirement for RAM is 4 GB. Which means that if your PC has less than 4 GB of memory, you need upgradation of RAM 4. I would recommend you. If you are a basic user, then 4 GB is enough. If you are office worker, you do browsing and streaming, then you should use 8 GB. If you are a creator or you do light gaming, then 16 GB is recommended. And for programmers or power users, or if you are running virtual machines, then 32-bit plus. Let's see now how to find out how much RAM our PC has. Open Windows Explorer. Go to the properties of PC. Click on About. And you can see how much RAM is installed on this PC and at which type of RAM it is. DDR3 or DDR4. Amount of RAM is also given here. Another way to find out amount of RAM the PC has is press Ctrl Shift and Escape. Go to Performance tab. Click on Memory. And see. There is total 8 GB of memory. The type of RAM is DDR3. Here it is shown how much RAM is in use and how much is available, which shows how much load your PC has right now. Thank you for being till the end.